Welcome to Ajaxra Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss final revision for SA1 exams, summative assessment 1 exams. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one, light, reflection and refraction. Let us discuss. First, light. Light is a form of energy that causes the sensation of vision. So, light is a form of energy that causes the sensation of vision. Okay. Next, it is basic divisions, reflection and refraction. Reflection, let us discuss. Reflection. The return of light into the same medium after striking a surface is called reflection, or the phenomenon of throwing back of light is known as reflection. Example, plane mirror. We will take plane mirror for reflection. Whenever we are inserting the light into the same medium, after striking, then it reflects. So, the return of light into the same medium after striking a surface is called reflection, or the phenomenon of throwing back of light is also called reflection. Okay. Next we will discuss laws of reflection. First one, the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie in the same plane. The angle of reflection is always equal to the angle of incidence, or angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. Okay. See here, this is the plane mirror, this is polished surface and it is the reflecting surface. This is incident ray, this is normal. Normal nothing but a perpendicular line drawn at the point of incidence is known as normal. This is a light ray or incident ray. Incident ray is striking the reflecting surface at the point of incidence. So, it reflects. This is reflected ray. The angle between incident ray and normal is known as angle of incidence. The angle between normal and reflected ray is known as angle of reflection. So, angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection. The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. These are the two laws of reflection. Okay. Next, let us discuss important points. When the reflecting surface is smooth, the parallel rays of light falling on it are reflected in one direction. This is called a regular reflection. When the reflecting surface is rough, the parallel rays of light falling on it are reflected in different directions. So, this is called irregular reflection. These are the types of reflection. One is a regular reflection, the other is irregular reflection. During regular reflection, all the incident rays are parallel after reflection. Regular reflection occurs on plain smooth surfaces. In irregular reflection, all the incident rays are not parallel after reflection. The parallel rays of light falling on it are reflected in different directions. So, this reflection occurs on rough surfaces. So, this is called irregular reflection. See the picture. regarding regular reflection and diffuse reflection, or we can calling as irregular reflection. So in the case of plane mirror or any other surface that produces a reflected image. See these are the incident rays and these are the reflected rays. Here we are taking a plane mirror and incident rays falls on the reflecting surface of plane mirror and they are reflecting. So these are the reflected rays. Here during regular reflection all these are incident rays are parallel after reflection. So this is about the regular reflection. So we come to this irregular reflection or diffuse reflection. Here this is the surface is very rough. So these are the incident rays. Arrow marks indicates the direction of incident rays and they are reflecting in different directions. So these are the reflected rays not parallel after reflection. So incident rays not parallel after reflection. So this is like any surface that we can see but does not reflect an image. This is called irregular reflection. Irregular reflection occurs on rough surfaces, whereas regular reflection occurs on plain smooth surfaces. Okay. Next, now I'll discuss refraction. In this refraction, first what is meant by refraction? The change in direction of light when it passes from one medium to another obliquely is called refraction of light. The refraction of light is due to the change in speed of light on going from one medium to another. Or simple definition, the phenomenon of bending beam of light is known as refraction, or the phenomenon of light ray when it traveling from one medium to another medium, resulting the change in direction due to the change in speed of light. So this is known as refraction. The change in direction of light when it passes from one medium to another obliquely is called refraction of light. The refraction of light is due to the change in speed of light on going from one medium to another medium. So when the light ray traveling from one medium to another medium, due to the change in speed of light resulting the change in direction. So this phenomena is known as refraction. Okay. Next, laws of refraction. Let us discuss. The incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Next one, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant for a given pair of media. These two are the laws of refraction. First one, the incident ray, the refracted ray and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Next one, the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is constant for a given pair of medium. These are the two laws of refraction. Okay. Next. Now let us discuss important points. A medium in which the speed of light is more is known as optically rare medium. A medium which the speed of light is less is known as optically denser medium. So here a medium in which the speed of light is more is called optically rare medium. A medium in which the speed of light is less is known as optically denser medium. The speed of light is more is called rare medium. Speed of light is less is called denser medium. Okay. Next, when a ray of light goes from a rare medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal, and when it goes from denser to rare medium, it bends away from the normal. Here, the light ray traveling from rarer to denser. When the light ray traveling from rarer to denser, the behavior of refracted ray bends towards normal. Next, when the light ray traveling from denser to rarer, refracted ray bends away from the normal. So, the refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is equals to ratio of speed of light in medium to the speed of light in medium 1. Okay. Next, see this picture. In this behavior of light ray when it moves from one medium to another. In this first picture, the light ray traveling from rarer to denser. So this is rarer medium. This is rare medium and this is denser medium. Now the light ray traveling from rarer to denser. The behavior of refractor ray is bends towards normal. See, this is angle of refraction, bends towards normal, and this is angle of incidence. Here in this case, refracted ray bends towards normal. Angle of incidence is more than the angle of refraction. Next, here in this second picture, this is the incident ray. Now incident ray traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. The behavior of refracted ray is move away from the normal. This is normal. This is normal. And the light ray traveling from denser to rarer, the refracted ray move away from the normal. Here this is the angle of incidence and it is here angle of refraction. So in this case, angle of incidence is less than the angle of refraction. In this third situation, when the incident ray falls normally, there is no refraction. See here, incident ray, refracted ray in the same line. So when the incident ray falls normally, in this situation, angle of incidence that is equals to angle of refraction is equals to 0. Okay, this is about the behavior of light ray when it moves from one medium to another medium. First one, when it traveling from rarer to denser, refracted ray move towards normal. The second one, the refracted ray move away from the normal because the light ray traveling from rarer to denser. The light ray traveling from rarer to denser, then refracted ray moves away from the normal. When it falls normally, there is no refraction. So that in this situation, angle of incidence is equals to angle of refraction is equals to 0. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.